Hey YouTube, have another video of how to install an HUD, a heads-up display. Just got this in the mail. I picked it up from tmart.com. First time I visit that website. They had a pretty good deal on this. Other websites had a more expensive price. This was the best price I found. So let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, so here it is. Nice, skinny, low profile. It comes with, let's lift this one out, a USB to OBD2 connector. Connects right into the port there. Comes with the manual and the reflective shield. Nice. Oh, forgot this. And a sticky pad so it doesn't slide all over the place. How lovely is that? It looks like it's super sticky. It was stuck to that manual. So what you get is I picked it up for it was $38. After taxes came out to like 44 bucks. So under 50 bucks. It came with the connector, the reflective disc or shield, the HUD, the heads-up display, and a non-slick pad or non-slip pad, non-slick. Anyhow, let's go ahead and install that. Alright, so like I said, this just connects to your OBD2 connector. Can't really see it. See it on the camera though. Alright, so as always, nothing's easy. I had to pull that out so I could make a good connection. It looks like it fits, but it's a tight, super tight fit. But anyways, I got it in, and it's actually a pretty good thing that it came out, because now I'm able to run that towards the back more, where I want to pull the cable out from somewhere, because I do not want it here or here. Probably, I don't know, run it from underneath, pull it out from somewhere under here, and let it come out from there and stick it probably right there. So anyways, let me show you real quick what it does. I went ahead and turned off the light on the camera. So after you start your car, all these comes on. My RPM. Nice. And the reason it looks like this, it's all backwards, because it's going to be like this, so it could reflect off. Let me see. Can we see it? Oh, there it is. See how it looks. And right now it's set to kilometers, so I gotta go ahead and set that. And then this turns off automatically once you turn off the car. It's gonna do its process. There it is. So you don't gotta turn it off or on. It's gonna turn on and off on its own. Beautiful. So let's go ahead and mount this. I'll go ahead and run the wire and mount it, and I'll show you guys how it looks. Alright, I went ahead and ran the wire. It was a hassle. I ran it in. I had to pop this open, run a coat hanger in through here, and pick it out, well, first run the coat hanger in through here, get the cable out, then run the coat hanger in through here, and then put some tape on it and get it out through there. And then I just shoved it all on the edge, and then it comes out, and it's sitting there on that anti-slip gel. I went ahead and calibrated it. The RPM is set to, I think, pretty close. Voltage is reading pretty good. My water temperature is pretty good. The water temperature is pretty normal. It shows as red, but it's normal. Yeah, I like it. It just looks like that because we still got to put in the anti-glare. See how it looks now. Hella brighter. So we're gonna put that on next. But I like it. That's pretty much it. That's all I wanted to show you. That's the heads-up display, and we'll take it for a test drive at nighttime so we could see it, see how it looks. Here's a coming soon video. I got them in the mail. Yeah, everything we need to install these. Come on. Everything's so hard, one-handed. Boom shakalaka. These boom shakalakas are gonna go right here. Boom shakalakas. Boom shakalakas. Yes. Boom shakalakas. Coming soon. Alright, so I went ahead and installed the little screen there. You could see it in the middle of the glass. Here comes my son. Let's see what he got to say. Let's go ahead and turn this on. We're not going nowhere, me daddy. We're not going anywhere. Where do you want to go? You want to go bye-bye? Yeah, you just want to go for a drive? Okay, come on. Let's go for a drive then. Alright, so here we go for a test drive.
Wow.
The DRLs are blinking. It's just because they're low frequency.
Wow.
I know, right? Oh, the numbers on top is instantaneous fuel consumption. You see how it's staying steady? Woo! Oh yeah, I have it on shift alert. So I can tell us when it's shift. It's getting foggy. Let's go ahead and turn on the air. Pretty cool. I like how the fucking RPM hella shot up. Let's do it again. That shit is tight. That's pretty cool. That's not bad for 40 bucks. Just giving me a battery reading at all times. Nice. Works when I throw my beat.
Mama,
Daddy. What? You want the DVD? Okay. Turn the DVD on for you. That's next to be upgraded. What? Double dim Android with wireless Bluetooth. The whole works. Yeah, and that way, and then that way, and then that way. Yeah. Sweet. And then my phone goes up here. So it's gonna be like I have 3 cameras up here, or 3 screens. That my GPS, now the HUD. Then I have my phone as my music, because I integrated Bluetooth on here. Man, this is hella cool. I like it. Oh no, not the store. Damn, I should not have came this way. Daddy forgot his wallet. Yeah, Daddy forgot his wallet. Yeah, Daddy forgot his wallet. Oh, we'll come back right now. Okay. Sweet, that looks hella cool. I like it. That looks awesome. And then it turns off on its own once you shut the car off. No need for you to shut it down. That was sweet. Nice. I hope you guys like. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.